We stay with this story. The Directorate of Intelligence and Security in Kurdistan has given France24 an exclusive interview. Masrour Barzani is blaming Nouri al-Maliki's inability to form an inclusive government in Iraq for the current violence that's gripping the country, allowing fighters from ISIS to gain a stronghold throughout the north.
The situation created today is basically the result of a failed political structure in Iraq and in the region. If we look at Iraq itself, we see that there has been a large number of Sunnis who have been against the policies of Baghdad, not necessarily all of them affiliated or associated with Daesh, but they seized the opportunity to express themselves, and Daesh has manipulated the situation, and they have controlled the situation into their hands. We do have information about many of the European, either of dual citizenship or people from Europe originally that have joined Daesh. They came first into Syria to fight in Syria, and some of them have come to Iraq to join the battle here, supporting Daesh as their members. So yes, there are people that have come from most of European countries, including France. Hundreds, if not thousands. Well, is a de facto sovereign state right now. It's not independent, it's not internationally recognized legally, of course. But as you know, there is a failed political system in Baghdad. There is literally almost no military institutions left to defend the country. We in Kurdistan have in fact been very organized and capable to defend the territories of Kurdistan.